First of all, let's talk about the battery. The battery in it is not just a backup power source but is a part of the main driving force. This battery is so powerful that it can travel hundreds of kilometers in electric mode alone. In old hybrids the battery was small and ran in electric mode for only a short distance, but here the role of the battery is big and it supports fast charging, meaning when you charge it, you do not have to wait for long and the battery is ready with full energy. Again, the second secret is the fuel tank. BYD has designed it in such a way that it supports the balance of both the battery and the petrol engine perfectly. The size of the tank is such that there is no shortage of petrol for traveling long distances, but not so big that the weight of the vehicle increases and the efficiency decreases. This is the wonder of engineering, covering more distance and less fuel. When discussing the groundbreaking advancements in hybrid technology, the third and arguably most pivotal factor is the revolutionary ultra-efficient engine design. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it represents a fundamental leap in how we harness energy from fossil fuels. At the heart of this system lies a petrol engine developed by BYD that boasts a record-breaking thermal efficiency of over 46%. To fully appreciate this figure, one must understand that it places the engine at the absolute zenith of performance within the global automobile industry, surpassing even the most advanced engines from legacy manufacturers. To put it in simpler terms, this remarkable efficiency means that more than half of the latent energy stored in every drop of petrol is successfully converted into usable power to propel the vehicle. This stands in stark contrast to conventional internal combustion engines where a significant majority of the energy, often 60 to 70%, is lost as waste heat through the exhaust or dissipated by the cooling system. In this new engine, however, such waste is minimized to an extraordinary degree, ensuring that a far greater portion of the fuel you pay for is directly translated into motion. But the innovation doesn't stop at mere propulsion. The engineering philosophy behind this power plant is one of holistic energy management. This engine is intelligently designed not only to drive the wheels when needed, but also to act as a high-output onboard generator. It can operate at its most optimal and efficient rotational speed, specifically to charge the high-capacity battery pack. This strategic function ensures that every single drop of petrol is fully utilized, either for immediate motive power or for storing electrical energy for later use, thereby creating a perfectly synergistic relationship between the engine and the electric motor. The tangible benefits of this engineering marvel extend beyond just exceptional fuel economy and reduced emissions. The combined power output of this system is nothing short of amazing. The seamless integration of the instant torque from the electric motor with the sustained power of the highly efficient engine results in breathtaking acceleration. It enables the vehicle to launch from a standstill to 100 kilometers per hour in a remarkably short amount of time. This performance level is so compelling and responsive that it legitimately places these hybrid vehicles in direct competition with many pure electric vehicles known for their rapid off-the-line speed, all while eliminating. Imagine if your car could get fully charged in just a few minutes. No long waits, no frequent visits to charging stations. It feels like something out of a science fiction movie, but this is no longer a dream. Recently, BYD's CEO introduced something that's not just making waves in China, but has stirred the industry from Tesla's California headquarters to Toyota's offices in Japan, BYD's new Blade battery. This is no ordinary battery. Its arrival has raised concerns for Elon Musk and forced automakers like Toyota to rethink their EV strategies. So, the question is, what makes this battery so special? It's not just about charging speed, you know. There's something deeper here, something that could shake the very foundation of the EV industry. What unheard of technology has BYD used, and how could it turn the EV market upside down? We'll uncover that in this video. But hey, before we dive in, if you want to stay ahead with updates on technology and EV breakthroughs, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Before we explore BYD's game-changing battery, let's understand their strategy because that's where the real story begins. Today, the only company truly pushing Tesla aside in the EV market is BYD. Once underestimated, BYD quietly but strategically entered the electric vehicle space and has now shocked the world. For years, people thought Tesla would always hold the crown. But BYD flipped the script with a different mindset, a different approach, and grounded strategies. From the start, BYD focused on the mass market. While Tesla stuck with expensive premium vehicles, BYD targeted the mid-range and affordable segment where the real consumer base lies. A smart move, right? This wasn't luck, it was the foresight of BYD's CEO Wang Chuanfu, who once said, "If you want to change the world, you have to make technology for the common man, not just for the rich." That vision became BYD's greatest strength. BYD's second big move was vertical integration. The company manufactures nearly everything in-house, from batteries to motors, chips to software. Tesla does a lot itself too, but BYD went even further, keeping its entire supply chain under control. This gave them two huge advantages: lower costs and no production halts. So when the world faced chip shortages in 2021 and 2022, BYD kept producing and selling vehicles without interruption. Their third smart play was focusing on both hybrids and EVs. While many brands chased only full EVs, BYD didn't ignore plug-in hybrids, especially in China, where charging infrastructure is still developing. Models like the Qin Plus, DMI, and Song Plus have seen record-breaking sales thanks to this strategy. Another interesting thing is that BYD spends very little on marketing. Instead, they let the product speak for itself. Their car's quality, performance, and pricing turn customers into loyal promoters on social media. Meanwhile, while Elon Musk dreams of Mars, BYD has been winning battles on Earth. That's why in 2024, BYD overtook Tesla in sales, moving just over 3 million electric vehicles compared to Tesla's 1.88 million. The message is clear: BYD isn't just making cars, it's setting new standards daily. Now, let's talk about the true disruptor, the Blade battery. Until now, electric vehicles faced two big problems: charging time and battery safety. BYD's Blade battery has addressed both. This isn't just a battery, it's a warning to the EV industry that times have changed. A critical component of this ecosystem is their advanced power electronics and motor technology. BYD's in-house developed silicon carbide power modules are a testament to this. These modules significantly reduce energy loss during power conversion, whether from the battery to the motor or during regenerative braking. This marginal gain in efficiency, when applied across millions of vehicles, translates into a monumental advantage in total energy savings and extended range. It's a silent innovation that doesn't capture headlines like acceleration times but is fundamental to the vehicle's overall competence. It does not take much time to reach the speed of 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, and this performance level is so good that it can compete with many EVs. The starting pickup is very fast due to the electric motor because, like an EV, it also gets instant torque. This means that as soon as you press the accelerator, the car immediately moves forward with a jerk. The combination of torque and power output here is such that this car shows its color in both smooth driving in the city and high speed on the highway. You do not feel the lack of engine while overtaking.